Hi everyone. I just started I'm gonna start rolling out this bale for the girls once I get over to my destination. But first I was gonna call them over so they follow me where I wanna go, because I wanna put them in the hidden meadow for feeding, since we never got to graze that meadow this year. Maybe they'll find some treats underneath the snow over there. I might keep them busy and away from the calves, which is the goal. As you can see, the calves are all riled up because all their mums are walking by. But yeah, I'll take the cows far, far away from here. Probably have to water the calves too this morning. That's one of the other things I'll do. Once the girls get here, I'll quit videoing and I'll drive the tractor out over there. And I'll find a spot to roll it out, and I'll see if I can roll out a bale at the same time as one-handedly videoing. That'll be funny. It's about -10 this morning, so it's pretty chilly. I got my hood up and headphones on, and yeah, listening to a podcast, enjoying it. The girls are almost here. Come on, boss. Come on, girls. You got Pat leading the way, black white face. The one that anybody can walk up to and scratch, even though most of the cows are getting that way, which is nice. Makes for easy handling. As it is, it's lower stress to lead them somewhere rather than push them, which is better for them and better for everybody involved. Alrighty, I'm gonna have to pick up the string and go. Okay, here comes the next clip. Alright everyone, I'm gonna be rolling out the bale now. I don't have a bale spooler yet, but that's on the list, I guess. It's a little hot in here. I'll turn down the temperature and probably the fan so there's a little bit less noise. Alrighty. So I'm going to use my forks and roll it out. But it should be pretty easy. After I roll it out, I'll call the girls over and see if I can get them to come up here. I probably can, because I sound like food. At least their impression of food. Alrighty, let's see if I can get this awkwardly rolled out. If I aim for downhill, once again, this is something I can't do really one-handed that well. It's gonna be slow going since I'm trying to film it at the same time. Might be easier even by hand. Let's do this by hand. Alrighty, attempt number 1's a failure, because I've done it by hand really easily and quick. Good thing I'm young and dumb. Oh, there's my gloves. Oh, and a bunch of baler twine. Alrighty, off to go do this one-handedly. Wish that tripod I ordered for this thing came in the mail. So, oh no, there they are. Alright, time to be quick. Oh no, oh no. Alrighty, I'm gonna stop the video until I get it going. Alright, here's a straggler. Alright, I started rolling out the bale by hand. A little winded because I was trying to race the cows. Okay, time to get it down the hill because it's a lot easier rolling downhill by hand. I'll face the cows while I use my bum. Oh, that's gonna mess up the video. There we go. Whew, winded. I need to exercise more. There we go. See, she's rolling out my hand. And the cows are laughing at me. So, you know, we could have eaten it if you just left it in a big pile. Well, that's not my intent. I want to wander in the fields and start finding food. Oh. Alrighty, when I get rolled, I'll start the video again. As you can see, I got the bale rolled out by hand. Cows are all up there eating. And I'm gonna hike my way back up to the tractor. But yeah, it's doable to do round bales without too much equipment. Once again, I haven't bought a bale spooler yet, but I'm seriously considering it. As you can tell by this video, I think I'll call it things I can't do with one-handed too. But at least I think I have a remedy on the way for that. Just as long as the cows don't ever knock over the tripod. That'd be entertaining though. As you can see, they're enjoying their nice green hay, which funnily enough, that bale actually came from this field. So I guess it's returning back to where it came from. As you can see, there's some deer tracks right here. Yeah, those are deer tracks. As you can see, they're all enjoying themselves, munching away. Nice and quiet, no complaining. They all look in pretty good shape. Pretty happy. Really happy with the shorthorn heifers. They've become really friendly and awesome. No one's as friendly as Pat though. Pat likes getting Pat. Hey girl. Yeah, always good to end the video with some cow scratches. Feel a little appreciated. Yeah. Yeah, there's some nice food there. Yeah. Alrighty, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.